What's up, my name is Casey Nelson tonight, and welcome back to Temple Run 2. Yes, we are here to play Temple Run again. Also, Temple Run 2 is a great game, so yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go out not going out tomorrow, sorry. I'm gonna have a big benefit tomorrow, of course. But I'm not going to get too early. I'm not going up and playing the game, so playing games, doing YouTube videos and whatever. But 6 years ago, I cannot believe it. But it's so good to have all you guys watching. Oh my god, I can't talking today at the same time. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not going around with a camera pretty well, so yeah. I have to try and filming this video. Good I can, I'm not a good cameraman, apparently. So, when it comes to recording games like that. Oh my god! Oh, yeah, luckily I got that. I'm gonna be careful though. I don't wanna... Holy gee. The mine cart, it's not that hard, but this way we go, this way, oh yeah. Minecart's not that hard, as I realize. So, as I realize it, Minecraft isn't hard. Oh, we need... Good. Run! What's going on? Dude, what's going on? I couldn't... Dude, I don't know, but you make a push space to run when your energy is full. That did not happen. That can smooth me up so much. Now I'll go back probably now because nothing is making go like that. When my energy is was full, my bar was full. You know the ones I'm talking about on the left, where you're not that now full. There we go. Is that the one? Yes, that's the one. Oh my god. Why didn't I work the first time? I'm sure what I mean, but I can't because not this is that thing there. There's that thing that where it fills up. Where I can connect the thing in front of you. Then it fills up. Your bar fills up. With these. And that's the first time I did it work when I pressed space. Boy. That's not really... Boy! I hope it works again. Because I really wanna just There we go. It worked. I can smack my nose and I can quickly. And apparently, what? I forgot. I forgot to turn. Okay, I don't know what I forgot to turn for. Play on. We go get out. Into recording. Alright, now we're on this stupid what's it called water park again. By name of it. On name. That's what I meant to say. This yellow bar. But I'm the next there gonna turn into. Boy, you can't turn! I smell turning. I want to start to fill up right there. I'm going to get my bar up. So, alright, it's nearly there. Only one more, couple more coins and we're there. There we go, we have it. There we go. And we're in the... Where it again? Turn that way. Yes. This game has an audacity to almost blow me over once in a while, man. What are we even thinking? Wait. Oh yeah, the magnet. We got the magnet. Go, nick out. Oh shit. I almost hit that. Oh my god. Boy, what the f... Boy, what happened? I was doing well in the first one. But now I'm shit all of a sudden. Alright. I'm sorry it's not really the full thing, but I'm trying to... Well, I've been jumping on time the whole time except for once. I did not see. Oh my god, I make that. How? How? What? How did I not make that do? Okay, you've been nearly 15 minutes of me morphing, I guess. The game, or... I didn't like it, though. Such bullcrap. What is it? Boy, get them. I did not jump on Corbin, my fault. I suck at Cable 1 too. You know, I should not say that. I suck at Cable 1 because I was listening to it good the first time, so I don't know why I'm talking about boy. Everyone's gonna hear me thinking, what the fuck is he doing in there? Was he okay? My brother's gonna think, am I okay? What's happening to him in there? Oh boy, that is so lucky I got the shield. That is so lucky I got the shield, but I can still make it. Here we go. Duck and turn again. Oh my god, I can... There's so many of them. I can keep up and stay the same and go that way again. What? I hung on to that button. Oh, sorry now, sorry, everyone in this house thinks I'm in trouble. Everyone in this house gonna think I'm in trouble. Because I'm getting so loud. I don't know why I am now every night in my videos, so except for last night. But everyone should know that by now though. Everyone should know that. I'm so lucky, dude. But I'm missing for that much. Yeah, cool. You can't jump. I can't jump. That's why I missed it. I'm might be surprised if I missed that. Wait one day. And when? Well, get out of my way, you fella. I'm sorry, I should not say that. I was meant to say something else, but I can't say that. Would not be amazing that he got hit by that fire either. Boy. I want... Am I okay? Am I okay? You what, boy? I'm gonna hit that. Yeah, fucking hell. Oh my god. If you guys enjoyed this video, my cool. I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, and drop a like and see what you guys think. Timber12. Yes, Timber12 is a good game, but sometimes I will yell at it tonight for some reason, because I don't know why it wasn't listening, just being... I pushed the button, but it didn't let me cooperate with me. For what? Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, my subscribe. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night.